milk, and our straps in the far back. Because this trailer has milk in it, it is going to the B section, which is our trailer washout. So it's not going to get parked in the reused trailers. It's going to get parked separate, and what will happen is a yard truck will come through, they'll pick it up and they'll take it to the wash bay and they'll clean it out. That way it's sanitary to put food back in to be used later. So next we're going to come into the yard and we're going to put some diesel into the reefer trailer. That way when it's ready to be used again, it has a full tank of diesel. Alright, so we got the trailer backed up where we want it. We're going to set the trailer brake, put the truck into reverse, back in a little to take the pressure off, set the truck brake. Grab our gloves. Back here, we're going to start with red. It goes into that slot. Our electrical wiring. Then we're going to blue. Blue gets to go right there. Come back to landing gear. When we lower this, we want to leave a gap underneath. Back. Grab this lever, pull it back. Our waste scale. This big yellow thing right here, during winter you drive under it and it pushes the snow off the top of our trailers. That way when you're driving down the road you're not hitting cars with snow coming off the roof of your trailer. And this is the scale itself. Our front, we're not terribly worried about. It's always going to be 11.5, 11.6, which is under 12,000. These are the drives. They're reading 31,000. We're allowed 34. And these are the trailer tandem. 26. We're allowed 34. So this is actually a pretty light trailer today. These are a tri-zone reefer, which means that it's got 3 different cooling zones in it. So this one's set up to be dairy, and then frozen, and then dairy again. So it's going to be set at 32, 0, and 32. We're at the guard shack, so we'll give them the paperwork. So we're behind this truck here, and he is going 62. As we get closer, it's going to turn more yellow. The beeping's going on, saying, hey, stupid, we're a little too close. So we're not going to go any closer than that. We're going to turn and we're going to start passing. And our radar is back to blue because nobody's in front of us, and that's how that system works.
Are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. to the closest